Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. This is Derek reporting to you from our Spencer, Massachusetts location. Today we're going to be taking a look at this stunning 2008 Mercedes-Benz E350. This car comes with the Sport package as well as the Premium or P2 package. We'll get into the details behind that a little bit more. You can view all of that information as well as the history of this car and improvements that we made with our service department, Carfax. All of those things are available on our website listing at alphacars.com. At the time of recording this video, this car is available to purchase. If you would like to inquire about buying this car, you can do so at sales@alphacars.com or give us a call at 978-263-9000. We can also help with transportation. So if you don't live nearby, or maybe you just don't want to deal with driving this car home, you want to keep it nice and pretty and go straight into your garage, we can assist with that. We ship many of our vehicles, so we're very familiar with that process and get it nice and safe to your door. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this car. We're going to start out with the exterior, which is in this stunning iridium silver metallic. This is a absolutely gorgeous paint color. Really shines or pops in the sun or the light. You can see here just the way the light reflects off of it. Absolutely gorgeous. And it is in fantastic condition. This is a 2008. I will say that every single time that this car is out, somebody sees it in our lot out front of our building, or if I am moving this car to another showroom, I have every single time had somebody stop and ask me if this car is new or what model this car is. It looks like a new Mercedes. So it presents very well. Many don't believe that it is this old because of its condition, and those body lines and everything are just timeless. A few other things about this car with the Sport package. You can see on the exterior here, it comes with an upgraded set of wheels, some 18-inch 10-spoke wheels. On the back here, it comes with a Sport bumper as well, which also includes these dual chrome tailpipes. Looks very aggressive, nice and classy though as well. This also includes Sport Tune suspension and blue tinted glass. You can see here, nice feature there. And on the inside, this was optioned with the bird's eye maplewood trim and the white gauges with the matching chrome trim. So just a quick little sneak peek of that. This color combination is absolutely beautiful. Love this color combo. But going back to the exterior, you can see, getting a little bit closer detail on this paint. Presents very well. See, there's no nicks really, or really there's barely any scratches or anything. The 2008, and you might expect to even see some just typical, scratches or things like that, touch-ups from years of driving, but you really don't see that. As we go down our body line here, down our doors, you can see there's no dings or dents or anything. All of the paint on this car is original, as verified with a paint meter reading that you can view on our website. We go to great lengths to ensure that we have thoroughly checked the car over to make sure there wasn't any accidents in its history, or even just small things, right? Sometimes things happen, shopping carts hit cars, things like that, and it doesn't always get reported. But none of that on this car. It is all original, presents as it did from the factory. Going around here, you can see, it being a 2008, it's not going to have absolutely nothing. That's even just a water spot here. Nothing really there. Couple little minor nicks here. Really have to look for them. You can see a few here. Again, getting up close, you can have to look for them, but at anything more than about 5 feet away, you can't see any of this, especially in the light. All the headlights are in nice condition. You can see no damages there. Hood looks nice and straight. No major rock chips or anything. Not even any touch-ups that you can see here or anything like that. It is in pretty amazing condition. This clearly was cared for, likely garaged, and nobody was driving 2 feet behind a semi on the highway. Coming to this other side here, looking at these body lines. Again, nice and straight. No dings, dents, or any noticeable scratches or anything like that. Continuing on, here's one little, a little black spot right there. Get to focus. Very minor. Continuing along, this all looks excellent. Continuing to the back here, everything looks great. Rear bumper looks excellent. You have one little spot there. Oh, that just wiped right off. Did just move this car to the showroom, so I do apologize. There are a few little things like that just for moving the car in quickly. If we look at the wheels here, the wheels present very, very nicely. There are some minor imperfections on this wheel here. You can see just some minor curb rash there. Tire is in excellent condition though. Actually, these tires are pretty much like new. I think they're about 75% tread wear. You can see here, this wheel is in excellent condition. No nicks or anything on this, or scratches. Going back over to this side quickly, I did show these, but just want to give you a closer look. Again, all looks excellent. No curb rash there. Again, looking at this one. It looks like there is. It's really hard to tell. I had to give a double take here. Some very small scratches here, and you have to get kind of close to it for it to see. Camera doesn't want to focus on it. Very, very minor. Look at the roof again. There's a sunroof on it, as well as the little notches for if you wanted to put on a roof rack without scratching your roof, using those ones that sit with the rubber on it. Coming over to this side now, we're gonna actually go ahead and move to the interior of the car. You can see, going back to that black bird's eye maple wood trim with the nice tan interior. Looks absolutely fantastic together. Everything presents very well, no wear on the buttons or on the armrests or anything that you might see with this era of a car. I'm going to step in. Again, everything looks absolutely fantastic. Looking at 55,000 miles and some change. A very, very low mileage for this year. That's why it looks so pristine. Obviously, those miles were well cared for miles as well. So very, very nice. All this trim here is in excellent condition. Our cup holder, as well as the original Bluetooth module that does function. You can take both phone calls and use that to listen to music on your phone. Everything is in great shape here. All that, this comes out if you wanted to remove this. Take that out. Have a little compartment here as well. Put something in there, easy access. Glove box, have the original iPod adapter in there if you wanted to go a little retro, I guess. Can't believe it's already been that long since those have been out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on now. One of the functionalities or features of the premium package is the keyless go. So I have the key in my pocket. You have the ability to put the key in the car and start it, but you also have this button here, like many modern cars have. So we have gotten the car on. Nice function. See, everything's turning on nicely. Taking a look at our features up here. We have our sunroof with these vents in the back. Go ahead and open this up. Sunroof does work as intended. So go ahead and show you that now. Everything works nicely. Go and close that back up. Looking again at the back, the seats, everything in excellent condition. Those headrests are down currently, but you can flip those up, and there is a button in the front here that you can press that will automatically flip them down. And you have a sunshade that goes up as well. Looking at the door panels, everything, I'll give you a closer look as well, but just a quick kind of overview. There is like no wear on any of this. Everything looks like it's just been basically untouched. Unlikely that there are many passengers or anything in this car. Even the passenger side seat up here looks excellent. Everything is very nice. Door sills, all of that. Very, very nice condition. See, there's no dirt or junk in there. So I'm out here. Go ahead and show you the back. You get this door card. Everything presents very, very well. See, again, all the door sills and everything. Excellent, excellent condition. I think I mentioned this is a southern car, so this spent its life in a few different southern states, Florida, I believe Alabama, a couple others before making its way up here, and it's never actually seen a New England winter or anything. We acquired this car and brought it up to Massachusetts, so it has never seen salt or any of those things. So I don't have the ability to put up on a lift today, but if you look on our listing, there are extensive underbody photos. It is absolutely immaculate underneath, just like it presents up top. This does have the power trunk as well. So just a quick pull of that handle there and open up for me, and we'll be able to close it with these buttons. See inside, everything here, including the original mats, in excellent condition. Everything, carpet and all that looks awesome. No damage or anything like that. Just gonna move these. Taking a look underneath here. You can see everything's in great shape. Have the original toolkit there and the jack. You have our original booklet here as well. So there's our spare tire. Have our battery, which is a new battery. That is one of the things we did in our service department. Put a fresh battery in, so it's ready to go. No issues there. Close this back up. This does give you the option to pull the seats from back here as well, if you wanted to put those down. Then going up to here, so I'm gonna press this button. Nice feature of the premium package. Love those convenience items. Helps keep the car feel fresh for much longer, and just a nice item to have. But looking at this door panel, also very, very clean. No issues with that. The sills and everything are spotless. I mean, not even a speck of dirt on these. It's kind of crazy how clean this car is. Back here, again, everything presents very, very well. Let's go ahead and go to this front section here. Looking at our passenger door card. Excellent condition. Again, no wear or anything on these handles or anything like that. Everything is fantastic. Nice clean door sill. Excellent condition seats. I am going to go ahead and start this up in a second here, just to make sure that you are aware too. This is listed on our website, but this engine, if you're familiar with these, there were some earlier generations that had some issues with timing related components. We verified that this car does not have that. It is the generation after that that has the updated timing components. So you don't have to worry about any of those balance shaft issues or anything like that. So nice peace of mind to have that we're able to confirm with Mercedes. I'm gonna go ahead and start this car up though. Again, I'm gonna use my keyless touch here. Fires right up, nice and smooth. Absolutely fantastic, as we would expect. Again, with the condition of the car, there's no surprise here. Go ahead and take a look under the hood. Everything is in tip-top shape. You can see. It's in excellent shape. Nothing's been touched or messed with. You can see there's no indication that things have been replaced or anything like that unnecessarily. Again, from like an accident or something. Engine purrs along nice and smooth. We did perform an oil service on this as well, so with the battery and oil change out of the way, this thing is ready to go. Updated on service, don't have to worry about anything like that. So, that is the 2008 Mercedes E350. Again, if you would like to purchase this excellent example of one of these cars, reach out to us at alphacars.com. You can go on there and inquire on the listing. or email us at sales@alphacars.com, or give us a call at 978-263-9000. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more motoring content with more interesting or exciting cars, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this car, give us a like and a thumbs up for this, video, and leave a comment. What do you think about these cars? Have you owned one of these before? These have a timeless look. Many people, or Mercedes-Benz enthusiasts, are familiar with this model, a very, very popular option for them. Appreciate you tuning in, and stay tuned for more exciting content.